In this video, I want to tell you what is one of the top brokers you should be trading with as of today, right now in 2026. This broker literally allows you to also deposit money with your debit card and also your credit card. So let's go ahead and get to it. All right. So if you are a broker that's just getting started in trading, or you've been trading and you still want to figure out what broker to trade, because if you did not know, pretty much KOT, 24K Markets, Stage FX, all of these top brokers that we were very familiarized with is vanished, meaning we're no longer able to trade with them. So we would need somebody to rely on and lean on, and that's going to be GatesFX. Now with GatesFX, they do have a South Africa regulation, so that's pretty good, especially if you are in South Africa. That can be an upside for you. Now for all the other traders like in the USA or Canada like myself, really the USA in particular, you're able to use this platform called Tradelocker. Now, Tradelocker outperformed MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 in literally like a 6 month to a year span. Let me tell you why. With Tradelocker, you have a way more user-friendly experience. As you guys see, this is Tradelocker that we're looking at right now, and you see me dragging over left to right, which is pretty much how we will buy and sell. And if you look at MetaTrader 4, really, or MetaTrader 5, you see the buy and sell is up here, and I'm not able to adjust that at all. Now, also when it comes to the tools that we have access to, now you have this tool section. You're able to either drag the tool section from the top or to the bottom, left or right, and this is all of my favorites. Now with MT4, MT5, I'm not able to do that at all. Actually, it's very complicated just to get to the tools. So if I was to get to the tools and indicators, I would have to left click or right click, depending on if you're using a computer, go to indicator list and then add indicators here. And then for my tools, I will have to look up here at the top left, and I'll see all of my tools here. And then even for these tools, they're not as user friendly as it should be. As you see, this is pretty much me trying to use this trend line here, and it isn't as pleasing as Tradelocker is. So if I was to create a tool, as you see, it looks a lot more smoother and the user experience is just way better. That's just that. Now, another thing that I like a lot about Tradelocker is if we were to go into my trade, so let's go into trades, you see that I can also select any of these trades, right? So let's just go ahead and select the trade. It will copy this ID for me. Now, what I really wanted to show you guys is the share feature. So if I was to share one of my trades, I can share this on my Instagram or my Twitter or whatever, and it can just be that particular trade without me having to screenshot the entire thing. Oh yeah, by the way guys, we had a very successful day yesterday, making over $25,000 yesterday trading silver and also trading oil. I do have a video on how you can trade silver, multiple videos on how to trade silver, which I'll pop it up literally right there. And then also, if you guys want to learn more about my strategies and all of that stuff, you can also tune in to tradewithsolo.com. Now, that being said, this is what makes GatesFX more appealing. Additional to that, like I mentioned before, you also can do debit card deposits now, meaning you don't have to go the extra mile to go into your crypto wallet, deposit money through there, and then send it from your crypto wallet into GatesFX. Yes, that is almost a tedious process, but for those that is just looking to go straight into depositing with debit card, you can do that up to $5,000. Now, if you ever wanted to withdraw money, it's still the same process as far as you withdraw it from GatesFX to your crypto exchange, whether if this is Coinbase, Cash App, Binance, or Bybit, or whatever platform you're using to get crypto in and out. And that's really it. And given the fact that I am trading with GatesFX consistently, you guys are able to really see what we are doing with GatesFX. I've been with GatesFX almost about a year, I would say now, and I haven't had any issues when it comes to withdrawals and all of that fun stuff. So that being said, if you guys want to get in my community for free, I am allowing you to get in my community for absolutely free by going to tradewithsolo.com. You can either go with option A or option B. You will see what options it is. One is you can join with Gates, or the other you can join with the PropFirm. Regardless, when you join and when you deposit with the broker, which is Gates, you're going to be able to get in my community for free. We have guys sending out signals from gold, silver, and also myself as well. Additional to that, you guys get full on community support, and additional to that, you also get the best part, courses, so you can learn everything about how I trade and you can start trading effectively. Other than that, I made 25 G's this week. I'm very happy about that, as this is the new year. I'm really not going to be trading pretty much for this entire week, just because that was literally my income for the month, I would say, and I'm blessed to say that. But other than that, the goal is to get you guys in that level too. So tap in, subscribe, and like and comment if you guys want more. Your boy Solo, I'm out. Peace.